Hello there, my fellow aviation lovers. Today I will be showing you how to build the Cessna 208 in Minecraft. Now it is necessarily a small build, so yeah. There you have that. I tried my best to make it. I also got these wheels off another plane creator that I thought was really cool. Sadly, there is no interior, as that it is only about the fuselage is 3 blocks wide. Yeah. There's not a whole lot to this build, but yeah, I'll show you the blocks right now. So for this build, you're going to need a block of quartz, smooth quartz, quartz stair, smooth quartz stair, quartz slab, block of coal, grindstone, iron trapdoor, and a netherite brick fence. We will add the levers later. But yeah, those are the blocks you will need. So for the wheel, you're gonna need a grass block with this. You're gonna be using the quartz block, the grindstone, and also you're gonna need a grass block. So first, you're gonna get your block of quartz, build up 2 from the grass block, break the bottom one, break a grass block anywhere in front of that. Get your grindstone and don't place it on the grass bit here. Place it on the bottom of the quartz block, just like so. Then refill that little grass bit there. So you should get something just like this. You're then gonna want to build out 3. 1, 2, 3. So you should get something just like this. I'm gonna make sure, so hold on. Sorry. Okay, yeah. Then you're gonna want to get your quartz stair. On the wheel block here, place an upside down one. Then on the block, the first block facing out from that, you're gonna want to place a 1 forward stair, so you should get something like this. And do that on both sides. Just like that. Get your block of coal, place a block here, here, and here, so you should get something just like this. You can also fill these bits in here. With your block of quartz, you're gonna go back 7 from the wheel. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So you should get something just like this. You can just fill all this in with a block of coal. Get your quartz stair and place it just like so. Place 6 of them. And on the last block, place a smooth quartz stair for the door. And copy that over on the other side. With your quartz stair, make sure to fill in the bottom here. Also, make sure a smooth quartz stair is at the bottom of the quartz stair here. Do that for both sides. So you should get something just like this. With your quartz stair on the on the smooth quartz stair, place a backwards quartz stair like so. So you should get something just like this. And also get your block of quartz, the window just before the door. Break the stair underneath it and replace it with a block, a quartz block. You're then gonna want to get your grindstone and place it just like so. However, we will change it in a second after we get the fuselage done. For the top, we're gonna get our quartz slabs and place them all over the 3 block of quartz here, but leave the one sticking out. With your quartz stair, place one forward stair, and then behind those place one side stairs, just like so. Oh, and by the way, on these stairs here, make them backwards stair, just like so. If I can actually get it. So you should have something just like this. Get your block of quartz and build it in between them. And you can just fill all this in. But for this, you're gonna want to place some slabs. If I can actually get it. There we go. So you should have something just like that for the fuselage. Moving on with the tail, you're going to want to get your block of quartz and build out one more from these 2. Then place a slab on top and place 2 slabs just like this. So you should get something just like this for the beginning of the tail. Now, with this stair that's coming in backwards, place the block between them, place one above, place a block of quartz above it, I think. I need to check. Okay, so that was actually right. Build up 2, build out, build out like this. So you should have 3 being out. I need to recheck this, sorry. So just break the tail here. Also, on the window in front of the door, break 3 of the stairs, just like so, on both sides. That will be there for the wings. Speaking of the wings, we will start on them right now. On the top slab, you're gonna, with your quartz block, you're gonna want to place a top slab going out by 5. And with your iron trap door, place one just like so. But instead of 5, only 4. And also copy that to the other side. I might as well do it again for you. Top slab, out 5. Back 2. Iron trap door. 4. Just like that. And with your quartz slab, place another quartz slab on top just before it reaches this part of the wing, so the flaps, I guess you could say. Okay, for the tail, I was actually right. With your block of quartz, come out 2. And with your quartz stair, do 2 backwards stairs, just like shown. And with your quartz slab, place a top slab, just like so. You're then going to want to place a slab on top of the second block, so you should get something just like this. Where I went wrong was that it was actually another block. It was actually a slab. This was actually a slab. That's what threw me off. So, for the tail, you're going to come out 1 block, 1 slab, block on top of that, and you should get something just like this. And, yeah, on top of that slab, 2 blocks. Come out 1 more. Okay, so yeah, come out 1 more, go up 1, go out 1, 2, place a slab, the top slab, and place another top slab, then place a stair on top of that. There we go. You can also fill all this in if you want to, because it was gonna get filled up. Hold on, I gotta help my cat. Sorry, my cat got stuck in the washing basket. I don't know why they like to go in there. Anyways, you're gonna wanna come out from this stair 4, 1 stair, and fill in with slabs, so you should have something just like this. Build up another 4, build up 3, I think that's how you do it. Hold on, I need to check. I miscalculated. Yeah, so something just like this. You should have, hopefully, if you followed the instructions without me messing up. With your quartz slab, you're gonna wanna do 3, 2 times, 1, 1. So you should have something just like this. Then fill that in with the iron trapdoors, and do that for both sides. 3, 3, 2, 1, 2. Just like so. Now I will show you the propellers and some other little details if you want to do them. For this, you're gonna need another brick fence, limestone, lever, and a white carpet. Starting with the nether brick fence, go out one on the last block here, go up one and go out one, so you should have something just like this. With your wool carpet on the block of coal here, place one there, and also I might have forgotten to do it on here, but place white carpet on the wraps also. So just like that, you should have something just like that. And that's it for the white carpet. As I forgot, you're gonna want to get a pillar of quartz block. Break these two and replace these with replace the quartz blocks that were here with the pillar quartz blocks for the vertical stabilizer, I think it is. You're also gonna want to get glass for this. You're gonna want to break the two grindstones. You're gonna want to place a lever facing down. Break the glass block, and when you place the grindstone, click on the lever and crouch while you do it. So lever facing down, crouch, grindstone, tap on the lever, fill in the grass blocks, and boom! There you have your Cessna 208 Grand Caravan. Looks pretty nice. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, as that I'm still insanely small. A small YouTuber, but with your help, I can probably, if you would like me to, comment down below to make a plane with interior. Anyways, see ya, my fellow aviation lovers, later.